Hello everyone and welcome to the second episode of my English journey. My name is Josenias, I'm from Brazil. I'm learning English. I'm N1 student, so my English is still very basic. But today I want to talk about what I am learning as N1 student. I'm learning new vocabulary. Every day I try to learn new language words. For example, I'm learning words about food, place, people, work, and everyday life. Sometimes I forget the words, but I try to use them again and again. I believe repetition is very important when learning a new language. I am also learning grammar. Grammar is not easy for me. For you, also, maybe also. Sometimes I don't understand why we use one word and not another. But I am learning step by step. I'm learning simple sentences like I am learning English, I like coffee, I live in Brazil, I want to speak. These sentences are simple, but they are very important for me. I am also working on my pronunciation. This is one of the biggest challenge for me. Sometimes I know a word, but I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. So I listen to English and try to repeat. I listen, I repeat, and I try again. I know I will make mistakes. And that's okay. Make mistakes is part of learning. Another thing I am learning is confidence. For me, speaking English is a big challenge. I still feel nervous when I speak. Sometimes I think, is my English correct me so far? I saying this word correctly, but I don't want fear to stop me. I want to speak, I want to practice, and I want to improve. That I know I am only at level A1 now, but I also know that I can improve step by step. Maybe one day I will watch this video again and think. My English was very basic, and I hope I can say that because it means I improved. This is why I am make this video. I want to document my journey. I want to show my progress. And maybe I can also motivate other people who are learning English. If you are also a beginner, don't be afraid to start. You don't need perfect English. You just need to start. Speak a little, listen a little, study a little. Every day you can learn something new. If you are a native English speaker, please feel free to correct me in the comments. Your corrections can help me learn. Thank you very much for watching this second episode of my English journey. I am still A1 level, but my journey continues step by step, day by day, video by video. See you in the next video. Bye. Greetings from Brazil. Sometimes I know a word, but I don't know how to pronounce. And for me. Sometimes I know a word, but I don't know what. Sometimes